I'll tell you what, the things that you can get in 2020 for your house. I just hope that no kids get hurt. Something happened today that is so exciting that you're getting one more outdoor update. We got a giant slide. So this is our slide that we got that Leslie did not want to slide at all, right?
I like the fun factor. I just didn't like aesthetically what it did, and I was worried the kids weren't going to use it as much.
So now that you're seeing it from way back there, does it work? Does it aesthetically?
It totally works. I mean, it would look prettier if we didn't have it, but having fun for the kids is more important.
Yeah, well, the kids, forget the kids. Having fun for me, the kids are gonna be grown and gone someday, and I'm gonna be here sliding down the slide every morning. I know we've talked about it in a few different videos about how we wanted it to be on the other side with the stairs, on the other side of that we wanted it to be on the other side of the studio so that you don't see it from the main window and from the front of the pool. Well, we've done it, we've put it around here, and now I'm gonna take you up to the top of it. So here we go, first time going up the slide. These guys are working on it, putting the stabilization pillars on it. This is the first time I've ever seen an angle grinder used for its actual purpose. I only used it to cut things in half. That's the only thing I've ever bought an angle grinder for, but. So this is Johnny, he does the metal works. You are an American Ninja Warrior, right?
I am.
You were on the show, weren't you?
I was, yep.
How did you do on it?
I don't want to talk about it. You know, I went out on a balance obstacle, but since then I've only been training for about 6 months, and since I've been training for about 3 years, and I am substantially better than what I was.
Will they let you back on after you?
So I've put in every year since. I haven't been back on the show, but I've been one of their main testers, and I've tested courses all over the United States, and always have tested the finals course in Las Vegas, Nevada. Every single year they've had me as a main tester down there for it. So.
All right, American Ninja Warrior, if you're watching this, give Johnny a second chance.
Yes,
he is ready to go for this. He wants to get out there and run around and jump off some stuff.
Right.
But until then, these are the stairs.
Oh, it's wider than I thought, which is great.
It's wider, it has rails. It's a bit narrow, like it's a little steep, I mean.
It's like, it is a bit steep, but it's okay.
But as long as you're holding onto the rails, it's okay.
It's much taller than I anticipated. You probably can't see it on the camera, but that's pretty tall.
It's pretty tall. I mean, look, here's the roof right here, and then you start and you come down and around and drop down into the pool.
So fun. I love that it's hidden. But it's still super functional.
It is so tall. Like, look how high we are.
I feel like you're gonna have a big drop when you drop in too. I feel like it's not like you're just going into the water. It's like a big drop, right?
It's a pretty good drop.
Oh, the kids are gonna have so much fun.
The kids? Why do you keep saying the kids?
Because I'm happy.
I'm gonna have fun. Are you not happy for me?
Yes.
I think if it was just a straight shot, you'd be able to see the ending better, and it wouldn't be as scary when you're up here. But because it has one and then two bends on it, and then drops you into the pool, there's a little bit of uncertainty, and you're going so fast. But the reason why we chose this slide is because it's super deep. Like, when I say deep, like, look at the sides, how tall they are. Most of the slides that you look at that you want to buy for pools are really, really short on the sides. And so what people do in the area that we live in is they go and they make these fake rock mountains in their backyard, and they have like this fake rock slide, which I'm sure it's really fun. I've gone on it before and it is fun. But for our house, it doesn't really fit in. We don't have red rock in our yard anywhere. Our house is white, the wall is white, and we kind of live in a field. Like, we live in a farming field in a way. We don't live up by the beautiful red rocks. So it would just feel very unnatural. Right here is some water that will come out of it. And so water will be spraying down just like a regular, I don't know, place that you go.
So cool.
Yeah.
And it's 25 feet, so that's like a good amount.
Oh, it's 25 feet long?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Feet, yeah.
How tall is it?
I think it's 10 feet.
This is 8 feet tall.
Oh, it's only 8 feet? It feels
only
so much.
8?
I guess
Okay.
maybe, but we're taller, so it feels tall.
Exactly 8 feet to the top of that platform.
Okay.
Wow. Okay, 8 feet tall. And if you're going down backwards, this is a little steep coming down. Going up, it's fine. I just hope that no kids get hurt on this slide.
No, we
I mean,
can't.
even like, see this little section right
Yeah.
here? Do you think that's okay, or is some little kid gonna slip through that?
We'll just make sure if they're little kids that we come up with them at
All the
first,
time?
and just show them in the beginning.
Okay.
If you want, we could probably mount a handrail that went from there and attach to the slide. Yeah, just
okay.
like a handrail that would stop
Yeah.
at the top there and just go straight
That
down.
might be
Something
good.
else for your hand to grab onto.
These are all the other slides right here that are gonna be for our neighbors. These slides came, whoa, it's so steep going down. It's so steep. So this slide came all the way from Tennessee. That's where the company that makes these slides is based out of, and they brought them on a truck all the way out here. At the same time, they brought the slide over there for one of our neighbors that our builder is building their house also. This truck had another slide on it, and they were going to California. Do you know who they were putting in? Take a guess. They're taking a slide and putting it in a really fancy celebrity's house.
Like, give me a hint. You just can't say a
Whenever we
celebrity.
travel, it's the only show that you watch in the hotels.
Oh, stop it. It's not the only show I watch.
See, you know it. You already know. What is it?
It's the Kardashians.
Kim Kardashian is getting a slide. I don't know if it's bigger than this or it's the same or what, but she's getting
That's
a slide and it's
so
going
funny.
to her house.
I only watch it when we're on vacation because I never watch it.
Yeah, when
in
you're
general.
on vacation, you just want to keep up with the Kardashians.
I do
So.
need to keep up. Limited.
So yeah, we got the same slide as the Kardashians. Ready for water?
It's done.
Okay.
The pillars are in. It's finished up. It's ready to go.
So you welded all of these on. It just has these 3 pillars. Is that gonna be enough if big old
Why don't
heavy
you
me?
go ahead and try to move it.
So if I
Why
come
don't you
down-
touch one of those pillars and move it.
This right here will be good? Okay.
It's not going anywhere.
I mean,
I think maybe you should give it a test run right now. Why don't you get in there and slide down it and let's see what
Camera.
happens.
How are you gonna?
Here, I
you're
got-
not
I
gonna.
got
You're
you.
not gonna fall. You're
Yeah,
not
I'm gonna film you coming down the slide. This is gonna be awesome. He's gonna go all the way down this slide. Let's see if he can make it all the way down without water. It might be a little bit tougher to do, but
At least gonna walk on it.
yeah, you can walk on it. Just don't slip and fall, cause that might not be good.
I'm walking on the slide.
Look at that.
There we go.
There he goes. It's supporting your weight. That's a good thing.
Why am I the one testing it, by the way? That is kind of fun.
Well, you're the homeowner, so you're the one who's gonna be sliding down it anyway, right?
Jump. No, I'm not gonna jump. That is cool. Okay, I did it. I'm the first one to go down it. All right. Pull back up. It's pretty cool that they built these pillars. They fabricated them in the last 2 days just for this. There's the 2 screws right there. And then it has this beam on here, but I think it looks pretty safe. Oh, and here's the other thing. I was worried once we put it in that it was just going to entirely cut off the studio walking over to the hot tub. But look at this, it's 8 feet tall. I'm walking through it right now. There's plenty of room. And then, yeah, it does block some of the area, but not bad. For inside of our studio, like this is where we're gonna be editing and working and everything, you do look out and it does block your view a little bit, but it's not bad. You get to see a slide. It's kind of fun to be in the studio and just look out and see a slide. And then the drop off, if you look right here, it has a few feet. The water is going to be a bit lower under there.
Drop probably a good 2.5 feet, I think.
That should feel good when you're going
Oh,
fast.
it's gonna be awesome. If you get going flying down that head first, you can just do a little nose dive in. It'll be way sweet.
I didn't even think about going head first.
Gotta go head first.
Leslie, will you go head first when you go down with your clothes on?
You have to go head first. It's a rule.
No way.
That's the only fun way to go is head first.
I'll let you go on your butt, but you're still doing it. You're going in. Are you excited?
No.
She's gonna love it. Okay, let's go look at it from down below. I'm looking, get in the pool from all angles. Okay. Look at that. It is so high. I can't even reach it. I mean, this is from the very bottom of the pool. I can't even reach the top of the pool. This pool is deep. Are you happy with the slide?
So happy. It looks way better than I thought it was gonna look in theory. Like on paper, I was like, it'll be fun. It probably won't be as cute looking, but it's awesome.
It's almost like we planned it from the beginning to have it on that side. I think it worked out really, really well. I can't contain myself. I saw a slide going in and there's so many things I keep saying, this is my favorite feature of the house. And then something else happens and I'm like, this is my favorite feature of the house. Well, as of right now, the slide is my favorite feature of the house. Forget the kids.